Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the inner tie rods and the bump steer correction from UPR. So stick around. Alright guys, you can see I already got the front wheels off and I started pulling some of this apart in here. Got most of this, loosened up, ready to go. So I'm sure all you've seen some of this before, so I'm not going to record pulling these tie rods and inner tie rods out. What I will do as soon as that's done, we'll be back at the bench on the vise and we'll go through thread counting and make sure everything's good so we can get the alignment correct on this, and then we'll go over installing the rest of the bump steer correction. Alright guys, so once you pull the old tie rod off, okay, my under tie rods weren't as in bad a shape as I thought they were initially, but what you want to do is get this on your UPR inner tie or outer tie rod. Make sure you get your thread count right, okay, and then you'll secure the shaft or the stud that comes with the kit. And then once you do that, you can set your bump steer here. So what UPR says on their website is that you want your tie rod as parallel to the control arm as possible. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set this. I'll get all the shims in and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I got everything squared up and bolted down and torqued and all the jam nuts locked up. Let me show you what we're looking at here. So this is the UPR bump steer correction. Those are the shims to keep it here, and I've got one small shim there because according to their instructions you want to keep your tie rod parallel to your lower control arm, and I've got it parallel. Everything's set and we're good to go. In a couple weeks I'll just go ahead and go back through, check a few things, torque everything down. And I will hit up one of the guys I know with an alignment rack and we'll go ahead and double check the alignment, but I don't think it's an issue because I measure and mic things out as much as I can, get everything as accurate and everything put back together the way it came apart. So stay tuned for a road test. We'll go from there, and if you've made it this far, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, and thank you for subscribing. Till next time, see ya.